Hey guys, it's Tash here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've only just found me by clicking on this video. Hello, sending you a very warm welcome. I hope you like what you see and you decide to stay. So today I thought I'd bring you a kind of short but sweet style video. I'm going to be showing you and giving you a tutorial on 3 of my slick back hairstyles. So I know the hype has gone crazy at the moment for the slick back kind of looks. I'm going to be showing you 3 today. All 3 of them are so easy to do. They're so easy to kind of switch and change from all 3 of the looks. I just know obviously everyone has been loving these looks at the moment. Everyone's been wearing them and I've been wearing it quite a lot over my Instagram, and a lot of you have asked for a tutorial, so I just thought I would bring that to my YouTube channel today. It's probably going to be quite a quick video. As I said, it's quite an easy tutorial, but you guys want to see it, so I thought I would bring it to my channel. So yeah, if you are excited for this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, and if you are new here, definitely come subscribe. I would love to have you here. But without further ado, let's get into a little tutorial. So there's only going to be a few items that you're going to need to create these hairstyles. Those being 2 different style of brushes, just your normal usual hairbrush. I just have a Tangle Teaser one of these kind of brushes. This is going to really help you slick back the look, get rid of any kind of bumps. I literally just got mine from Savers. I think it was just £1. I think they're maybe like the back comb kind of brushes, but yeah, one of these. A gel of your choice. I know loads of people love the Whey gel, and also I think it's called the Eco Gel. They're on a little bit more of the pricier side. They probably are good, but personally I like this drugstore one, which is only around £3. I will link it in the description. But this is the L'Oreal Paris Invisi Hold 24-hour natural clear gel, non-sticky, non-stiff, extra strength. This is what it looks like. Really good. I think it does just as good of a job. I know loads of people use this one as well, and I just picked mine up from Amazon, but as I said, I will leave a link in the description. Then also a hairspray of your choice. I always go for the Got To Be Glued. Again, you maybe potentially can get a more cheaper one than this. You can also probably get a little bit more of a high-end one. I found this a really good in between. Again, you can get this from Savers, Superdrug, Boots, all the usual places. I usually get mine in Savers, but I just find this really holds the hair, really gets rid of flyaways. It's also really good for like curls and stuff, so just an all-round good hairspray. This is the Blasting Freeze Spray for Screaming Hold, so I would recommend this Got To Be one, but any hairspray is fine. And then lastly, of course, a bobble. I always literally have one glued to my wrist anyway, so I know I've always got one there, but you may need a couple, but just make sure you've got bobbles to hand. So okay, so let's get started. The first thing you will want to do is grab your hairbrush. I'm really sorry if you can literally see like hairs coming out of mine. It needs a clean, or even need a new one, but we're just going to ignore that as a hairbrush. First thing you're going to do, you're going to grab all of the hair and you're going to get it to the height you want. So kind of grab it in your usual bunch. I quite like mine to just be like mid-length, so grab that and then grab your hairbrush and you just want to start pulling it back, leaving it in your middle parting. So I would obviously say parting your hair at the beginning, start slicking it back with your hairbrush. So bringing it back but also leaving it in the middle, and then towards the back you can kind of just brush that in straight. You guys a little bit more of a close-up so you can see. Don't worry if there are like a few flyaways or kind of bumps at the moment, because we can sort those out in a minute, but just brush it back until you're happy with it all kind of being in a pony. So as I said, keep the front in the middle parting, and then at the back just kind of brush it in straight. Also, it does kind of help for your hair to be like at the stage when you're just about to need to wash it, when it is kind of like a tad greasy. I just find it slicks back so much easier than if it was like a fresh hair wash day. So mine is probably in need of a wash now, but honestly it goes so much better. Mine is at the height I would like it, so I'm then just going to pop the hair bubble in. Okay, then once you are happy with that, you can grab your gel, and then I just like to take a little bit of this in my hand, literally just like a pea-sized amount. I feel like if you start off with less, you can obviously build it up and add more. I just like to then rub it in between both hands, and then you can kind of start slicking it back. I just find this gel's quite like a natural one. It doesn't look too over the top, but gives you the effect you want. I'm just gonna again go in with another pea-sized amount. This just obviously really helps to gel it down, get rid of the flyaways. I always like to get around my ears as well. I always feel like that is where the hair kind of tries to stick out a little bit. So yeah, just go in with as much gel as you want. And then once you're kind of happy with putting the gel in, you can then use your other brush to just kind of really smooth it down, brush it into place, get rid of any bumps, and I feel like this brush just really helps to give it that slick back effect. You can also use these brushes to kind of get your bunch in place when you're first grabbing the hair and putting it in. Yeah, use it whenever or wherever you feel like you need it. Okay, and there it is all slicked back. There is the slick back bunch. So it is literally as easy as that. You've got the full slick back look. I really love how this looks. I just feel like it's great, especially for like days out, but also going into the evening. I just feel like it can make a look a little bit classier. You can also then, just to ensure everything is stuck down and get rid of any flyaways or like baby hairs. I usually get baby hairs here. You can use your hairspray and just spritz those down. I just like to add a bit of this over the top for extra hold. And there is the hair. Now that you've done the slick back bunch, you basically have your bases for the two other hairstyles. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can literally just switch it up into a whole nother look by grabbing another bobble and starting to plait the bunch. So obviously just getting your 3 strands and plaiting away. And just like that, you've got a whole nother hairstyle. I really love how this one looks as well. Obviously you can do it lower, you can do it higher, but I feel like a little braid is another one of my favorite slick back looks. So easy as that. Then I'm just gonna literally take it out and show you guys how I do the slick back bun. Okay, so hair is obviously all ready, all slicked back. Then all you're gonna want to do is start twisting the bunch and making a bun. Securing it with your hair bubble. And then I usually like to grab one more hair bubble and go over it one more time just to make sure it is really secure. And there is my little bunch. Again, you can either hairspray these bits of hairs down, or you can grab a bobby pin and bobby pin them away. This is what the little slick back bun looks like. So looks really cute from the side. You can also obviously bring out the kind of little tufty bits if you like that, a little bit like kind of 90s vibes. Mine kind of aren't sticking out enough, but sometimes you can kind of have them sticking out and it looks super cute. But yeah, 3 really easy slick back hairstyles with really simple and easy products. Let me know which look is your favorite on me, the bunch, the plait, or the bun. It's just super cute, isn't it? I love it. It's out my face. I feel like it's really cute for autumn. Looks a vibe with the slick backness. It's cute, it's classy, it's so easy to do, and I hope you guys have been able to follow along the tutorials and also create these really cute slick back looks. So yeah, if you did find this useful and you did enjoy it, please don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, and if you are new here, definitely come subscribe. I would love to have you here. And again, it's a huge thank you from me. I can't wait to see you guys soon with a brand new video. Mwah.